And let's go to table patients, design view. Now, in health insurance FK, it needs to know where to look, where to find all the different health insurances. So make sure you've clicked on it. We'll go to look up at the bottom here, as you can see. Now there says display control. Just change that to combo box. Now if you want to know what the difference is between list box and combo box, you can go and Google to have a look. Now combo box just basically allows you to add more values if you need to, if there's more health insurances. List box shows everything in a list without it being in a drop down box. But play around and you will get a feel for what it all looks like. So here we're going to choose combo box. Now the row source is where's it going to come from? It's going to come from a table, which is what we want. Now the row source is which table is it coming from? So we're going to say health insurance. It's going to come from health insurance. But in my case, what I normally do is I go to row source and I click the three dots here, the button. I click it and I say yes. It will bring up my table here. And normally I tick everything because I do want the capturer to see the health insurance name and the contact number in the box. We also put in the primary key, as that's good practice to do that. So let's save it and close it. That's all for now. But now the question is, have we done all the lookups? What about bookings? Doesn't bookings have to look up some things? Yes, it does. Dr. FK needs to look up all the doctors. What about patient? Patient needs to look up all the patients. So let's do that. So we'll go to Dr. FK, look up, change it to combo box. Again, the row source is table, row source is doctors, but what I want you to do is, instead of choosing from the list, immediately click on the three dots button. Automatically it will show you what tables it is. So we double click doctors to add it. We close it. Now, what do we need the capturer to see? They just need to see, they're not going to see PK, but we add it anyway. They need to see the name of the doctor, the surname. Do they need to see practice, contact and email? Not really. Maybe the contact. So let's put in contact. And let's save it. And close it. Let's do the same for patient. See, it's already on lookups for me. Let's change it to combo box. It is table. We click the three dots. Add table patients. Remember, if I'm going too fast, just pause the video. So here we put in PK, the name of the patient, the surname. That's all you will leave at this stage. And then you will save it. Now you have built the lookups for all the tables. Teach you in the next lecture.